this is my setup video for Georgia O'Keeffe. We are going to attempt to paint a flower. This is sort of the inspiration, and I'm going to show you the one we did last cycle. You may choose for your students to do that, but you'll need to walk them through it on your own. I'm not planning on doing that, but there is a copy of, she was very famous for that. Here are some flowers that can just kind of help give you an idea of the flower flowing off the page. That's what our goal is. Of course, this one doesn't fall off the page, but if we were to zoom in on it very closely, this would be an inspiration for a flower. Her flowers typically could not contain the page that they were painted on. Here's an example of some of her things that she did. I love this. This is a rose, and see, it's just, you don't see the detailed petals on the outside because it's completely taken off the page. So this will be some information I'll give you on Georgia O'Keeffe. I am using the newer edition of Discovering Great Artists. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, there we go. Discovering Great Artists, and they have a section on Georgia O'Keeffe in there, and the close-up flower painting. The other thing that I've decided, and this is the flower we did last cycle. The other thing I've decided to do is keep it simple, and we're using the basic primary colors. From this, we can make either purple if we wanted to mix those two together. We're going to make our green for our leaf using the blue and the yellow. We could make orange if we wanted to. So we're going to keep it simple by using the primary colors, and then we're going to have white to mix in there to add some contrast. So the setup is also just I think I ended up cutting these 6x4. I can't remember, maybe 6x5. You will have a tablecloth for them. I don't, so I taped mine to paper. We will also have cups of water and some sort of rag or paper towel for the students to wipe their brushes on. They're going to need a pencil to draw their flower first, and I'm not sure which paintbrush I'll end up using, so I have all of our selection here. So that's your setup for Georgia O'Keeffe.